How to remove a payment method from Wix. I'm inside the Wix dashboard, and here from the left hand side we want to scroll down until we see the option for settings. Once we have clicked on settings, then here we will choose accept payments. Once this page has loaded, then next to Wix payments you will see this button to manage. If we want to disconnect some payment methods, we will scroll down until we see this option to disconnect Wix payments. And here it will ask us for more information. It means that your customers won't be able to pay, and we need to select a reason. We will do other, and you can also explain why. But if you want to disconnect the payment methods, you will simply click on here to disconnect, and this will completely disconnect all of your payment methods on Wix. So I hope this helps you out. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.